Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag, Resync, Microsoft Visual, C++, runtime error. So here's what you're going to do. You want to open a new Chrome tab and type in Visual C++, and you want to click the first link, which is latest support of Visual C++, and now scroll down till you find the latest version. And you want to download first the x64. You want to click on this and then save it and then update it. You want to open it and then agree and then install it. As you can see, it's processing. And now it will ask you to restart your computer for it to come in action, but don't do it just yet. Exit out of this. Now you want to download the x86 also and click here to open it. You can close this out, click agree and then install it also. Click yes and let it run through the installer. And now after it's done installing, it will say again, restart your computer. Don't do it just yet. Close this out. You want to go here, open your NVIDIA or AMD app and go to drivers and then download the latest and greatest drivers. Also go to settings, disable the NVIDIA overlay and go to system and disable the G-Sync if you have it on. And after done all of that, you want to restart your PC and then your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag, Resync, Microsoft Visual, C++, runtime error. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.